Hey guys, Mark with the Stevenson team here. Our newest listing in beautiful Horse Thief Canyon in South Corona. Spectacular lot, over 8,200 square feet. Super private corner lot, no one on one side of you. Nothing but gorgeous mountain views to the front of you. Step inside the house and you're gonna find just under 2,800 square feet. Super well laid out floor plan, very functional. Bamboo flooring, updated kitchen, everything you're gonna want in a home. New HVAC. Come check this one out.